Focus in the bus, sitting sideways, waiting to looking all the time.
To go get my nails done. Obviously, nail broke the second time, so I'm gonna be getting my nails done like actually a different thing because I kind of got used to the color. As you guys can tell, this color right here looks different than the other one because this one's the one that fell off. So when I was getting it fixed, like getting another acrylic on that nail, I guess we chose the wrong color, so it looks kind of weird, and I kind of just want like shorter nails, so that's why I want to get my nails done. Honestly, it's fine that it broke off because I was wanting to get it done anyways. It's like another color and everything. I recently got this True Match Lumi Glow Lotion by L'Oreal, and it's honestly really good. It's kind of like a dupe for the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. I honestly recommend this one. If you can't find this one anywhere, then definitely go on Amazon and get this. This is so amazing. I got two and it literally works the same way. Honestly makes you glow, to be honest. Today I got a busy day. I want to go to Trader Joe's and I want to get new flowers because the flowers that I got sent by my boyfriend are dead, so I just need to get new flowers and take this one out of my room. I definitely want to get like tulips or something like that. I've seen them all over Pinterest and I'm kind of in the mood to go get tulips, so we're gonna see if we can find tulips at Trader Joe's. And then I also want to go to a coffee shop and just plan out things that I want to do for the next couple days because it is Monday, so I definitely want to have like a fun, productive week. I recently got my hair done and I didn't film it just because I genuinely was nervous and I don't feel like I could pick up the camera. I don't really go to that salon. This was the first time I dyed my hair at the salon and I just didn't feel comfortable to vlog in there, and I didn't want to do like a glow up with me. I was getting my lashes done and my nails done and everything, but I feel like I've done so many glow up videos on my channel that I feel like I just didn't want to film another one. I feel like there's not much of a difference. I just got some like money pieces and it was like an ombre color. I've just been on this whole process of taking care of it, and now we're back at square one with taking care of it. It's dead at the front. It's not as bad, but I do think I need a trim, so maybe that will help. But it's just been so hard to grow my hair out, and I know this is the consequences I get for dyeing my hair, but I generally just wanted to change. A lot of people were asking me like, why did you dye your hair? But I wanted to change. Like, I look at pictures of when I had blonde hair and I do like the brunette. Like, I'm gonna be going back to the brunette, not soon obviously because I can't be dyeing my hair, but definitely will keep that in mind because I think they both look good on me, but I think I just needed to change. So yeah, that's kind of like a little update on my hair. I tried not to have a breakdown yesterday. Every time I get my hair done, I always have a breakdown for some reason. I just think it's like such a drastic change. If it's not a touch-up, I'm gonna cry because I was obviously with like brown hair mostly. There was like no blonde, it was just caramel highlights, and if I was in the sun it looked blonde, or if I went to the beach or whatever, but there was basically more brunette before, and now when I look at myself like, or like with my hair down and everything, it just looks white in front of my face and it just doesn't match me. But I think it's because I'm not used to it. I don't think I ever did that much blonde, and I don't think I asked for that. I asked for like a vanilla blonde, and I guess it all depends on lighting because I have this like light in front of me. When I turn it on, it's very bright obviously, but ooh, I kind of like it. I have more lighting right now. But anyways, thank you for listening to my little room. I definitely want to do some cleaning in my room today, and I also want to clean my car because it's just a huge mess. And my car, obviously, I've been putting it off so much recently, and also my room. I just need to clean down my table. It's not that bad. Like, it's not a mess. I've been really good at keeping up with my room clean. Like, I don't know why, but I've just been so motivated to like just be in a routine and everything. Like, recently, I've just been doing so good with everything. I love doing my night routine. I know that sounds weird, but like doing my skincare and taking care of Mel is just such a like good part of my night. Like, it just makes me feel like I have something to do other than just like washing my face, brushing my teeth, and going to bed. I have like a whole routine, and it just, I don't know, my skin feels good after it. I feel good. So let me know if you guys want like a night routine. I haven't done those in a while. I'm thinking, oh shit. Okay, I think I'm done with my makeup. I just finished up at Trader Joe's and I'm going back home now. I'm gonna give you guys a haul when I get home, but I didn't think I was gonna get that much stuff because I got like a little cart. I didn't really get like, oh well, I got like the one of those, and I didn't think I was gonna get that much, so I kind of wish I got a cart instead. So heavy to carry that all on one hand, and I was trying to get content at the same time. I messed up on that point, but I learned my lesson. Next time I'm gonna get a cart so that I can film, get content, and get more stuff. I just took out my ID, not my actual card to pay for gas. I just got stuff from the mail, and I got something from Pretty Little Thing and Princess Polly. So we're gonna open Princess Polly first. First thing I got is this long sleeve shirt. I thought it was so cute online, and I think it's actually really cute. Maybe with some like jeans or whatever. This is the design on it. I think it's really cute. And I also got this bikini top. They have like the bottoms that match with this, but they're all sold out, and I don't even have like any white bikinis that are like just plain white, nothing on it. So I just got this one, and I really like it because the strings are like thin, and I feel like that just looks more flattering on me. I don't know. So from Pretty Little Thing, I got bottoms that would like match it and maybe like look good with. So they're just plain white bottoms. I really wanted like the bottoms from Princess Polly, but they just have it all sold out, so I just got this one. I'm also going on a trip soon, so that's why I've just been getting a lot of like summer cute outfits. If you guys saw my TikTok, I've just been putting all of the outfits that I've been buying and putting it in this little basket that I got from Amazon. Like, look how stunning this skirt is. I'm not gonna give you guys a whole haul, but you guys will see this on my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram if you guys want to see all the outfits that I've been buying recently. Mo just fell. But I am going on the trip in like the end of this month, so I'm really excited about it. But definitely go follow my Instagram if you guys want to keep up with like all the outfits that I've been buying. I'm trying to change my style. It's kind of like really hard to change my style because I'm a very basic person. I just buy basics, like basic white tee, basic plain jeans, like whatever it is. Like I just think basics look good on me, and I'm like, I feel like it's just because I'm just too comfortable with like wearing basic, and I think that's like all that looks good on me. But I never wear long skirts, so this is gonna be interesting, and I think they look really cute. I tried it on the other day and I just love it. This is what I mean by, oh, she makes a mess. Like, this is what I mean. It's the next day, and I do want to clean my car. That is part of like my kind of spring cleaning. My room is pretty clean. I might do like some touch-ups. I just don't want to be like super repetitive with my videos, with like cleaning my room and my videos all the time. So I am gonna be cleaning my car. I've never really done that before, and it just looks like a mess. Since I live in Florida, there's a lot of sand everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys like the state that my car is in right now. I also got a vacuum, so we're gonna try that for the first time. I bought that like 2 weeks ago, and I've been wanting to try it, so we're gonna go to my car and try it. Oh. Shower now. My hair is like kind of curly because I put it up in a bun while I was cleaning my car, and it took so long. Like, I think it took me like an hour. So that made me completely exhausted, and I feel like I just need a shower. So I want to show you guys some of my favorite, well, like one of my favorite things that I bought recently, which is this Sea Minerals Smoothing Sugar Scrub. This is amazing. I definitely recommend it. I got it from Marshalls, so this was like $6, but it smells amazing, and it makes your skin feel so smooth, so soft. I would definitely recommend it. It reminds me of the beach. Obviously it says Sea Minerals, but like the beach is what it reminds me of. And tomorrow I'm actually going to the beach, which was kind of like a bad idea to clean my car because now my car is gonna get dirty tomorrow. So that wasn't the best idea, but at least it made myself feel a little bit better because I've been putting off like cleaning my car for so long. So I feel so much better about myself and like my car. I made it a lot more organized. There were so many hoodies in the back. I couldn't tell you why I leave so many hoodies in the back. For some reason this just like stays back there. I forget them all the time. I also have so many water bottles in there. there. Usually when I go to the nail salon, they give me like a water bottle and then I just leave it in my car, which is so embarrassing, but I put them all in the fridge in the garage. So whenever somebody wants to grab water, they can grab that. Anyways, guys, this lighting makes my hair look so blonde. That's crazy. I'm not gonna wash my hair even though it's like kind of gross. It's like my 3rd wash hair day, but since I'm going to the beach tomorrow, there's no point. It's gonna get wet anyways and I'm gonna have to wash it anyways. So we're gonna put that off to tomorrow. Currently 9:18 p.m. and it's kind of early. I'm gonna try to go to sleep, but if I don't, and oh well, I will be exhausted tomorrow morning. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see on my channel, whether that be like spring routine videos, whatever it is. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.